Hello, hello. This video is kind of impromptu. Suddenly I've decided that I'm gonna share with you what I was up to, and I'm so glad that I'm actually doing so, because you notice that I'm sharing with you everything that is wonderful, what is a great idea, right? And because February is a month of love, yes, February 14 is for the lovers, got it? But I decided to make all February the month of love, and loving ourselves means taking good care of ourselves. So we eat properly, we drink juices, I do, and we go for a walk, we are in the nature, we sleep enough, we eat properly, we learn about ourselves as much as we can, we advance, and we do what we love to do. But also, how about our body? Oh, somebody would say, I take a shower every day, or I'm taking a bath every day. And that's wonderful. That's wonderful. But how about cleansing your energy field? You're looking at me and you see 3D body, right? But what you don't see, that we all, everything that is around, including our thoughts, words, and feelings, is nothing else but energy. Additionally, all of us have what we call the energy field. That's why, by the way, when you approach somebody and you in that somebody's energetic field, if you feel energy, or you very intuitive, right away you may feel, I don't like that person. And then ego kicks in and says, what are you talking about? You never met this person. You never heard about this person. How possibly may dislike this one? Okay? But you should always trust that inner feeling, because that's the connection to your higher self. You know. And if you pay attention, you're doing a very good thing. So, how to cleanse on a deeper level? I'm going to tell you what I'm doing and what I just done. We're all different. We all should listen to our own intuition. There is no such a thing that one recipe for us all on this earth. No such a thing. We all gurus for our own selves. Don't ever forget that. So I'm gonna tell you what can be done and what I'm doing, and you take what resonates with you, and if it doesn't, move on and do your own thing. So first of all, I took a nice shower, and not because I was working on a cornfield all day and I need to really clean myself physically, but still I felt better that I use a double treatment today. When you see, when I'm doing healings over Skype or in person, I always give a homework at the end for the next usually week or 3 weeks, that depends on a person. But one of those things is either person takes a bath or a shower, and that's what I tell them to do, and that's why I done it today. So the intention is the most important thing right now. What's your intention? So for example, I enter under shower and I said, Thank you for cleansing. Cleansing my energy. Cleansing my field from anything that is negative or toxic. And it just happened today that somebody sent me a link over email. And when I opened that link from somebody that I know, was so negative, was so actually toxic, that right away it put me in, not in a being afraid mode, but some kind of not easiness. So when I got under a shower, thank you for cleansing my body, my spirit, my emotions, my mind. And I was kind of like under waterfall in Hawaii. And everything was going down a drain. All the toxicity. My hair is still actually getting dry. Okay, so that was the part one. After that, I was for approximately 30 minutes taking a bath in a bathtub. What I used, first of all, as warm water as you can. Okay, don't overdo it, especially if you have any problems with your heart. Okay, just be smart. And when the water was being poured, I used sea salt. You want to use everything organic and natural, not processed, okay? Apple cider vinegar, but again, organic. And you always before you use, shake really well. And that's how it's gonna look like, okay? And now you're pouring. And you know, with me, everything is by intuition. So handful of this, handful of that. And it works well. And baking soda. Now, even if you're using only salt, it's okay. It's also cleansing. Only apple cider vinegar, absolutely wonderful. I like to do it all if I have it. If something I was missing, then oh well, it works anyway. And the crystals also can be some oils. Again, is so much to choose from. These crystals are for me being more energetic because I'm really starting my day. But if you're going to sleep, lavender, especially for those who suffer from insomnia, you cannot sleep, lavender works a miracle. Lavender in your bedroom too. So once I got this to the bathtub, the water, I mixed with all this stuff. Yeah, probably 30 minutes I would say I was in it. And this is just like I tell you. Not just cleansing your body, but cleansing your energy. I felt a lot lighter once I came out, and I used white towels, big bath white towels afterwards. So I was just like, it feels so good. It feels so clean. It feels so lovely. And you almost felt if I stepped up and tried to see if I weighed a little less, probably would be like at least 5 pounds less, but only energetically. Just lovely. And then I put music, not afterwards, but during this whole process of being in a bathtub, I put a wonderful music. Lovely melodies. And again, for each one of us will be totally different story. But I did what I love, and at the end was this lovely song that I hope it's not gonna ruin these videos. And I'm going to actually put the song under the link because at this moment, butterflies going everywhere. And butterflies is the change, transformation, the other side contacting us and bringing us messages. We want our energy to be lighter because we want those visions. We want to feel good. If your energy is clean, your vibration is high, you don't get sick. You just don't. You're feeling good. You're feeling fulfilled. So especially if you running from any cold, flu, to something a lot more serious, take care not just for your body, but also for your energy. So I wish you all the best. We are rocking in February, taking care of ourselves, showing love for ourselves, and until the very next time.